welcome to the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. What Gwaan with the Phillip Paulwell big extortion case where him say Nigerian scammers hack him and go release so much pictures and did even start release pictures. What happened to those Nigerian hackers? What Gwaan with that case there? Do I need to remind you? Phillip Paulwell, in the days leading up to the death of Toshyna and his child Saraya Paulwell, did start put out all kind of unicorn stories, smoke screen, because him know what will happen. So him started telling people say, them a try extort me and it's a Nigerian act. Literally, if you don't take my word for it, read the whole article. The article is titled Phillip Paulwell extorted on Jamaica Observer. It came out September 4th. By September 9th, Toshyna was dead. What happened to that case then? Of course, a Bradshaw are going to be as the Uncle Sam would call him, the Patsy, the fall guy, or in this case, the fall girl. She is now the mastermind of the whole thing because she's so jealous and enraged and she's a lunatic and a mad woman. Even though she explained quite clearly that Toshyna been trying to contact her for a long time to tell her about this baby that Paul will have. And she told Toshyna that Phillip and I, after they did the DNA, are going to make sure that the child is taken care of financially. This is what it was about. Toshyna wanted Phillip Paulwell for mine in Pitney. Big US Navy personnel fly down to go on their own murder mission. She's a mad woman. Oh my God, she's the mastermind of this all. Phillip and I. She was trying to get money from Paulwell for making mine in Pitney. Paulwell spin it as some Nigerian hacker would just so happen to breach him WhatsApp, breach him emails, breach him bank accounts and everything, start to release pictures to his political comrades. Fact, by the way, none of these pictures have been released, so they're covering up for him, comrade guy. Right. He said some had already been released. Where them there? And this Nigerian hacker, who could have targeted any and everybody because they're so skilled. I mean, them get through WhatsApp, them get through account, them get through emails. This Nigerian hacker, we give him all number when him claim saying in Nigeria if he put money in her. As soon as Toshyna died, this Nigerian hacker stop hack. This Nigerian scammer who did already start to release images, damning images and evidence to Phillip Paulwell's politician friend them, showing say them can sink him. This Nigerian hacker just so happened to stop hack and expose the moment Toshyna dead. And the Jamaican masses still don't see all of this play out in front of them. And I tell you say, it's by chance that the man them go kill the woman and her baby in a Phillip Paulwell place. That's all a coincidence. So what happened to that case there with the Nigerian hacker guy? Paulwell, what go on with that case there? This Nigerian hacker just stop hack. September 4th, him run to the Observer to put out the smoke screen. By September 9th, Toshyna dead. There's a reason why Jamaicans continue to get taken for fool. You know them say, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. What happened when I get fooled for 60 odd years? Maybe you are a fool. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.